Do that again, Isla. She's very advanced. She can talk in the microphone, and she can use an Etch-a-Sketch. There she goes, using the Etch-a-Sketch. Actually, she's multitasking. You're a genius! Yay! Alright, now you're gonna eat the other side, aren't you?